This blank I made from pine cones from my friend Mary Reber's yard. She owns the Laura Palmer house from Twin Peaks, if you're familiar. So here we go, mounted it up on the lathe, started turning it, and it turned out that there were quite a few cracks, and I decided to repair it overnight before continuing with the finished product, just to make sure it didn't fall apart on the lathe. Give it a little bit of a shine, and then tried to repair the cracks with CA glue. Ended up mixing some extra resin and painting that on the outside and taping up the sides so the resin didn't seep out through the cracks. Let that sit overnight, and then I was able to finish it up today, and it turned out just gorgeous. A shiny blue, hogging out the middle, not too many problems there. And it turned out just gorgeous and shiny, and the pine cones, I think they just look stunning with this blue. So there is the finished product. Have a great rest of your weekend.